Hello, Microsoft Advertising and API community. Thank you for joining our webcast today. We'll use this time to share what's new and upcoming in our product roadmap. Our two primary goals are that you walk away with a clear understanding of the benefits of newly released features and to provide you with resources to support adoption. I'll briefly review the Webcast console. Our Webcast console that you see is customizable on your side, where you can click the content widgets that you see on your screen and move them around or size them for your screen. You can expand the slide area by clicking the maximize icon on the top right of the slide area or by dragging the bottom right corner. We recommend, if you can, to leave the widgets as they are so you have the ability to see all the great resources at the same time. We are providing live captioning. You can see the words scrolling in white on black background below. For Q&A, please feel free to put your questions in the widget as you have them, and we'll answer as many of them as we can at the end of our webcast. You'll also see a resource list on the bottom of the screen. There is already the presentation deck for download, as well as links on topics that you might find helpful related to topics and features our speakers will bring up today, or we feel would be useful. This live recorded webcast will also be on demand and can be accessed from the same link you registered with. So if your colleagues or friends couldn't make this time, not to worry. They can still click the invite link and they will be taken to the registration page for the on-demand version. The on-demand version will have closed captioning as well. Last housekeeping item, we would love your participation in our survey at the end of the webcast so that we can improve in any way possible. My name is Jen Cockrell and I will be the host. I'm an operations program manager working on the Microsoft Advertising Technology Partners team. We'll also have our technical account managers in the room, and they will be answering your questions live via the chat window throughout the call, so be sure to submit those. But again, there will also be time at the end for a Q&A. Please note that many of the features discussed in today's call are either in early planning or pilot phases. Dates and information are subject to change. With that, let's look at our agenda. Today, we'll review audience features, roadmaps, updates, deprecation of accelerated budgets and what to expect, if functions, view through conversions, and customer hierarchies and shared libraries. We'll talk about ad customizers and the Microsoft Identity Platform endpoint. We'll have a few reminders about adopting expanded text ads and final URLs and parallel tracking. And we'll close with a reminder to migrate to the Bing Ads API version 13. With that, I will hand it over to Aswath, who will get us started with the audience features roadmap updates.
Great, thanks, Jen. I'm Ashwath. I'm a PM working on the audience platform. The goal of our audience platform is to make sure that you can reach your best customers and also find new customers that will help you grow your business. To do that, we have a rich set of features that are part of what we offer on the audience platform. We have demographic buckets like age and gender, location, device. But beyond that, we are allowing you to target your own customers through remarketing lists and custom audiences that you can onboard. We are also providing in-market audiences that let you find new users that are in market for the products and services that you offer. Now, I'll spend more time today talking about the pilots and an upcoming feature. So we'll talk about product audiences, which is about finding users who have specifically seen specific products on your site. We'll talk about similar audiences, which are modeled based on your best users on remarketing lists. And we'll also talk about customer match, a new feature we're launching this quarter. Let's start with product audiences. It's in pilot now. It's a way for you to reach highly relevant audiences, those who have seen specific products on your website. It has tremendous performance in terms of conversion rates as well as click-through rates, and it's super easy to use in how we are matching users to the products that they've seen. So let's talk about how it works first. If a customer has gone to your site, and let's say they've added a handbag or some other product to the shopping cart, but then later they walk away. The customer could come back to Bing or go to msn.com And in those situations, once on Bing, if they search for a handbag, we will allow you to bid boost on that specific product ID and for that specific user. So you'll see that handbag and that product ID show up first, and the likelihood of them clicking and converting on that is much higher. Similarly, if they go to MSN, then they could see the same SKU or the same product ID when they are visiting the info pane on msn.com. To make this work, we are creating product audiences in 5 buckets. We'll have a general visitor bucket. We'll have a product searcher list. We'll have a product viewer list, shopping cart abandoners, as well as buyers. And to enable targeting these users, you have to update your website with UET to add some additional information about the page type and the product ID that the user is interacting with at that point. It's really important to instrument the buy page because we don't want to show products to users after they've purchased. So once we know that the user has bought a product, we'll stop showing that product to them. So let's dive a little deeper into the specific fields that need to be updated. One is a product ID field where you're going to send through UET the specific product ID or the SKU ID that the user is interacting with. This must match what's in the shopping feed that you've already provided us for your shopping campaigns on search and the feed-based campaigns on MSAN. In both these cases, the product ID that the user is seeing and the one in the feed will be matched by us on the back end, and the user will be able to see that same product again. The page type is what indicates to us what the level of interest that the user has and which audience they'll be part of. So they could be, for example, part of the search results page, and that'll put them into a searcher audience list. Similarly, if they're on the shopping cart page, that'll put them into the shopping cart list. Additionally, you can give us the total value and the category of the page that helps us make better decisions on the back end on which product to show a user if they've seen multiple products. And what we've seen from a pilot, we have about over 50 customers as of this point using this, and it's growing. And they're seeing tremendous results. They're seeing over 100% conversion rate for the same ad shown to a user who's in the list versus outside the list. And the cost per acquisition is 40% lower for the advertiser. Next, we'll talk a little bit about similar audiences. We are bringing our AI and machine learning to bear, where we're taking the seed list that's in your remarketing list and creating another set of audience that's very similar in behavior to those that are in the remarketing list. So think of someone who's been to your site and taken an action, like say buying a product or adding some product to your cart. What we will do is we will find other users on Bing who are very similar to those users. And we'll enable you to reach prospects who are ready to convert. And your conversion rate as well as your ROI goes up as a result. So here we are seeing volume. If a remarketing list has X number of users, we are seeing 2 to 3x that in terms of the number of users in the similar audience. And when you compare the performance of those in the similar audience versus a non-targeted user, we are seeing 49% higher CTR and 54% higher conversion rates. So it is working, and we encourage everyone who's not tried this and who's using remarketing to take advantage of this feature. And I'll close this session with talking about Customer Match, which is an upcoming pilot in the US. The idea here is if you have lists of customer emails in your CRM or other systems and you want to target them, we are opening up a way for you to achieve that. This obviously you'll have rich data on your customers, and we are allowing you to bring that into our system in a very easy way to support it. The API support will come in Q1 for that. The early pilot, the closed beta pilot, will start this quarter in the US. And here's how the feature works. So the user would need to first agree to a specific policy agreement for this feature. Since this involves email addresses and taking customer data, we have to make sure that the consent of the user was obtained, and there are details of this in the policy agreement that you'll need to sign up to. But once you do that, through the UI as well as the API, you can hash the email of the user and the email list using a SHA-256 hash, and then upload that list into our system. We then match it against all the Microsoft accounts that we have. So we would do a match against the hashed email. And then we would identify the Microsoft ID so that we could create an audience for you to target. Similarly, you can also use this over the UI without hashing it at your end, where on the client side, we will hash it before accepting it into our system. If you're using the API, we would require you to hash it on your own and then upload the hashed email list to us. Okay, I'll hand it off at this point to Abhishek to take you through deprecation of accelerated budgets.
Thanks, Ashwath. My name is Abhishek Gupta, and I'm a program manager on Microsoft advertising team. I'm here to share an update on budget options. Starting November 1st, 2019, accelerated budget strategy will be deprecated for search, shopping, and DSA campaigns. To make the migration seamless and without any immediate breaking change, these campaigns will start delivering as standard despite the chosen budget strategy in the UI. This is to give more time to our customers to migrate accelerated to standard on their respective entry points. This brings us to a question: what are we trying to solve? We know that budget-constrained campaigns on accelerated budget tend to go dark earlier in the day and perform less efficiently. On the other hand, standard budget strategy is a smarter instrument which picks and chooses the right time to serve with the intent of optimizing clients' performance based on multiple factors, such as products, service targeted by the campaign, availability of corresponding search during the day, etc. That said, here are important things to know. Before November 1st, the budget type for shared and unshared budgets is configurable by advertisers for all campaign types. Starting November 1st, to recap, for search, dynamic search ads, and shopping campaigns, regardless of the budget type that you set, Microsoft Advertising will deliver as standard. You can continue to get and set daily accelerated budget using the API for these campaign types, although it will not influence budget delivery. There are no budget delivery changes planned at this time for audience campaigns. Starting Q1, calendar year 2020, the budget type for shared and unshared budgets will be read-only for all dynamic search ads, shopping, and search campaigns, and any budget type value that you attempt to set will be ignored without returning an error. The budget type data will be migrated, and the API will return daily budget standard for dynamic search ads, shopping, and search campaigns, as well as for all shared budgets. With that, I'll hand it over to Huang, who will be sharing an update on if functions.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. My name is Juan Sepulveda, and I'm a program manager at Microsoft Advertising, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about if functions. So what are if functions? If functions are specific parameters which can be used to change ad copies based on device type or audience list to reach customers with the most relevant message. If functions are currently in open beta in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, India, France, and Germany. You can reference if functions in any part of expanded text ads except some of the URL fields. And it is a Google parity product, so you can use Google import just like you would normally. So why should you use if functions? There are two main reasons. First, they reduce bulky operations and save time. If functions provide scalability by reducing the need for you to create separate campaigns or ad groups for different devices and different audiences. A single text ad can be customized with unique messages based on the user's device usage or a specific audience segment, making it easier for you to save time. The second reason is they send the right message at the right time to the right audience. If functions allow you to easily modify your text ad copy based on two targets, device and audience. With if functions, you can expect to see higher click-through rates and conversion rates due to the improved ad customization. So here, let's give a brief example of adding if functions to your ad. You can type the following syntax into your ad fields and use the interface components to generate the syntax. So first, let's look at the device. You can see that what you would input is something like curly brace equals if parentheses device is equal to mobile, then text to insert and parentheses, and then the default text. So the serving behavior is if the end user is on a mobile device, the entire if function is replaced with the value text to insert. Otherwise, if they're like on a PC or a tablet, they will see default text, and that is what we called the default. For audiences, we can see that it's slightly different, but still the same concept. You will see audience in, and then you can list the names of your audiences. So here we would see audience. We can see it was listed audience list 1 and audience list 2, then text to insert and default text. If the end user is in audience list 1 or 2, the if function is replaced with the text to insert. Otherwise, the default text will be used. A couple things to know is that default values are optional and will be used if the condition isn't met. If the default value is used in one if function in your ad, then all if functions must also contain default values. And you can see a screenshot of the UI here of what that might look like. Second, nested if functions are not allowed. If functions inside if functions or other customizer parameters inside if functions just don't work. And third, both device and audience can't be referenced in one if function syntax. So you could put both in one title or one description, but they just cannot be in the same curly brace. Thank you so much. And I will now pass it on to Nan, who will talk about view-through conversions.
All right, thank you, Kwang. So hi, everyone. My name is Nan. I'm a senior program manager in Microsoft Advertising. So today I'll be talking about view-through conversion. So view-through conversion is actually a new type of conversion tracking capability that we are introducing for advertisers that are on Microsoft Audience Network. So today, if you are on Microsoft Audience Network, we are only provide you the ability to track conversions from at the click. Let's say if you are e-commerce and you are selling shoes, so we will only tell. Well, we're only able to tell you how many people who made the purchase of shoes after they click on your ad. But what about those users who actually saw the ad of your shoes, but they never clicked it, but then they went directly to your website and made the purchase? So all those conversions are actually lost in motion right now. Those are not being reported. So view-through conversion is this capability for us to be able to report those conversions back to you, to really allow you to be able to measure the full values of your ads on Microsoft Audience Network, to understand how much is your impression help to drive conversions, as well as revenue on your website. Yeah. So now we will dive into what is view-through conversion and exactly how do we calculate view-through conversion. So view-through conversion, you can actually think of it as an impression-based conversion. So these are the conversions that are not associated with the click, but they are associated with impression. So these are all the conversions that happen because of an impression on your ad. And right now, we are attributing all the view-through conversion to the last viewable impression. So let's say user viewed your ad 5 times. We are only going to attribute the conversion back to the last impression for the specific ad. And you don't have to worry about double counting. So if user did click on your ad after they viewed, we are not going to count it twice. So all those users who click on your ad will automatically be excluded from our view-through conversion attribution logic. Right now, view-through conversion is only supported for impression traffic on the Microsoft Audience Network. So that means you will be able to see view-through conversion for both your audience campaigns as well as those search campaigns that are extended to the Audience Network. So in this slide, I have an example of how do we calculate view-through conversion if for for the different scenarios when you have impression or you have impression click. So here you can see we are always trying to attribute a conversion back to a click. Only if we cannot find a click, we will try to attribute a conversion back to an impression. So now let's look at how will we set up view to conversion in the UI. Yeah. So right now what we're doing is we are adding a new setting called the view to conversion window. So you don't have to recreate all your conversion goals for view to conversion. So all you need to do is for all your existing conversion goal, just go into the goal setting page and you will be able to see this new option called the view to conversion window. And you can change the view to window based on your business scenario. So by default, we are setting it to 1 day, but you have the option to set it anywhere from 1 minute to 30 days. Right now, this is supported for all UDT-based conversion goals. So those are destination URL, duration, pages view per visit, as well as event. And similar to click-based conversion, we are also attributing view to conversion based on the count setting that you currently have in your goal page. So what it means is you can choose to either attribute or count mobile conversion for a single ad impression or only count it once. And in addition to this change, we're also introducing another account level setting called include view to conversion in your all conversions page. So if you're not familiar with what all conversion column is, this is actually part of another feature that's in pilot right now called include in conversion. So with this new setting, we will automatically include all your view to conversion into your all conversion column. So if you do not want all conversion column to report in view to conversion, you can go into your account level options page in the shared library and disable this option. Just one more thing to call out is for view to conversion, it will only impact all your conversion column. It has no impact on other all conversion related metrics, for example, all conversion CPA or all conversion rate. The reason why is because view to conversion are resulted from impression, and on Microsoft Advertising, you are not being charged for impression. So any metrics that are using either click or impression, click or spend metrics, we are not going to be calculating those for view to conversion. And also this setting has no impact on your historical data. So what it means is it will only impact how we calculate all conversion from the day you change this setting. So once you're done with all the setup, how can you get view to conversion data, or where do you find it? So what you can do is you can go to all the existing grids and reports and just add a new column called view to conversion. This is available in almost all existing grids. And once again, view to conversions are reported at impression time. What this means is if your user saw the impression yesterday and they made a conversion today, what's going to happen is you will see this view to conversion in yesterday's reporting. So that helps you to understand how many conversions are resulted from your impression. Once again, you will only be able to see view to conversion under all your under audience ads total row in the grid, or under the audience row if you ever try to segment that network. So we will show view to conversion 0 for all other non-audience network, which is, for example, AOL search, Bing and Yahoo search, and syndicated search partner. Currently, we are planning to start closed beta in Q3 this year, so which is somewhere in this quarter. And please stay tuned for any news or update on our open data. And next, I will pass this on to Shane.
Thank you, Nan. Hi everyone, my name is Xin. Today, I will introduce two new functionalities for multi-account management area, hierarchy and share library, which will empower users to easily manage large scope of accounts. Firstly, to help users better understand the basic entity structure for multi-account management, we rebranded customer to manager account. Started on October 7th and rolling out in phases. Reference to customer in Microsoft Advertising are changing to manager account. As a differentiator with Google, everyone in our platform has a manager account from the moment they sign up. Whether you're a seasoned multi-account manager or just getting started with us, you will automatically see your manager account and account setup. This rebranding is purely terminology change. There's no impact on your existing account structure. Same as today, your manager account is a container for one or multiple accounts and provide a centralized place to help users to access and manage multiple accounts. And your account is a basic entity to hold all your campaigns. After the manager account rebranding, we'll introduce two new functionalities. The first one is hierarchy, which supports users to link different manager accounts together to build a hierarchical structure to map your business logic. Before hierarchy, if you want to access and manage others' accounts, you need to set up linking relationship with individual accounts. But after hierarchy, you could directly link to others' manager accounts, which will automatically grant you access to all accounts under it, and also provide a hierarchical account selector, which will help you to easily organize and navigate to different accounts. Regardless whether you are an agency who needs to manage multiple clients or you are direct advertisers who own multiple manager accounts to represent different regions or business line, you can always leverage this functionality to build different account structures that make most sense to you. The second functionality we're introducing is share library. After you build your hierarchy structure, we support users to share UT tag and reminder lists across different manager accounts within your hierarchy. You can easily define your sharing scope for each UT tag and reminder list by simply select different manager accounts in sharing section. Currently, hierarchy and share library are in open beta pilot. If you have a Microsoft Advertising account team, please contact them directly to help you join this open beta pilot. If you don't have an account team, please contact support to help you join this open beta pilot. Okay, that's all. Next, I will hand off to Juan to talk about ads customizers.
Thank you so much, Xin. Hi, everybody. It's Juan again. I'm going to talk to you about ad customizers. So what are ad customizers? Customizers are text parameters that let you create hundreds of different ad copies within a single ad and are powered by machine learning. They're generally available in all markets, and you can reference ad customizers in any part of expanded text ads except some of the URL fields. They are a Google parity product, so Google import is available here. So why should you use ad customizers? Really, there's two big factors. First, they reduce bulky operations and save time. Customizers provide scalability by reducing the manual time to create or update an ad copy. A single text ad can be customized with hundreds or even thousands of variations and show the most relevant ad to each potential customer. Additionally, they send the right message at the right time. Customizers provide flexibility to easily customize your text ads to what someone is searching for at the time they're searching for it. That's where the machine learning part comes in. But one of the most powerful features is that you can modify them based on user location, device, search queries, time of day, and other targeting attributes. If you're using ad customizers, you can expect to see higher click-through rates and conversion rates due to the improved ad effectiveness. So let me just go through an example with you. Here we see a feed. Ad customizers are powered by feeds, and what that essentially is an Excel spreadsheet where you supply the content that could be potentially inserted into your ad copy, right? So here we see the feed name called Vacuum, right? So this is a company that has uploaded kind of like an Excel sheet where they provide some content about their either products or they're testing different ad copies. So you can see that the product name is a column, then the current sale they're using, and the optional targeting location, target by keyword, and target by audience ID. And all of these are optional, and they just show you the power of ad customizers in this way. So let me give you a sample ad copy. So in order to reference this feed, we're going to have to insert the following into our ad text. It is curly brace equal to feed name. In this case, it would be vacuum, and then dot feed attribute. And a feed attribute is just what we have named our column, right? And so let me give you an example ad copy here. In our first title, we're just going to put the name of the product, right? And then in our second title, we're going to insert maybe a little bit description of the type and maybe the price that it's being offered for. And then a description, it will be like specific description based on your targeting attributes or no targeting attributes. So in this case is what the sale might be. And so if an end user is in Seattle, they're going to see this ad copy, right? So you can see it is the second row within that spreadsheet where the targeting location is Seattle and the sale is get 40% off. And you can see that the price is different, right? However, if a user uses the query lightweight vacuum and they are within the target audience IDs, then they're going to see this other ad copy that specifies a kind of a different price, right? $99.99, and then a different description: lightweight, powerful vacuum with 5 settings. So this kind of shows you the insane potential that ad customizers have, and even greater, taking them further, is that you can control which feed items will be selected for the ad, right? So to customize ads for the same keyword in different campaigns, you just use the target keyword column and the target campaign column. To target by ad group, you could just use the target ad group column and the target campaign column. To customize ads for a searcher who is part of an audience list, you would use the audience ID column. But again, a feed file can contain multiple of these or none of these, right? So the possibilities are literally endless, and you can upload up to, I think it's 5 million different rows. So just imagine the content that you can put in there. So I really recommend that you use them if you have the applications are kind of endless, whether you're in the retail or not. You could really use them for efficiency again and higher click-through rates and conversion rates. Thank you so much. And I'll now hand it off to Pelkins, who will talk about the Microsoft Identity Platform endpoint.
Thank you, Juan. My name is Pelkins, and today I am thrilled to be presenting to you the Microsoft Identity Platform endpoint, the endpoint that supports our work accounts. And our work accounts are a better security and control solution for our customers. Before I begin presenting work accounts, I would like to talk about our current model, which our customers use to authenticate, which is the personal account. What are personal accounts? Personal accounts are Microsoft identity solutions for personal use, and they leverage technologies like two-factor authentication to help you offer better security. What are some of the problems we have with the current personal account model? With the current model, Microsoft advertising users would have to audit their users periodically to ensure that they still work with the company and that as a result should have access. In addition, it is impossible to enforce higher security measures on the users like two-factor authentication. And there's also no granular control to be able to determine what domains have access to those accounts. As a result of these drawbacks, I'm pleased to present to you our solution, which is the work account. With the work account authentication, customers can control the page, the branding, and the required authentication methods for their users. They can also enforce that their users authenticate with work accounts. And finally, they can see what accounts their users are authenticating with and who has and who doesn't have access to this account. However, we do have one catch with this. We're relying on the fact that our customers that rely on tool providers ensure that the tool providers upgrade to the Microsoft advertising endpoint. So customers that depend on tool providers that haven't upgraded to this new endpoint are going to be blocked from accessing this new feature. We're currently in open beta for this, and we're hoping to start, we're currently in closed beta testing for this feature, and we're hoping to start open beta on October 18th. If you do have a Microsoft advertising account team and you're interested in opting into this pilot, please contact them directly. If not, please contact support and we'll be happy to opt you in. Thank you. And now I'll pass it on to Shirley.
Thanks, Pelkins. Hi, everyone. I'm Shirley on the Microsoft advertising team, and I am here to talk about expanded text ads adoption reminder, or standard text ads deprecation. As you know, STA deprecation is not anything new. We have removed the ability to edit STAs for some time now and are striving to deprecate STAs by December 31st, 2019. While this is a timeline, we strongly urge advertisers to move away from STAs by adding XDAs in your pure STA ad groups before the holidays. XDAs see a 5 to 10% higher CTR than STA. Additionally, as 95% of the marketplace moves away from STAs, you'll eventually see your CPCs increase and your STAs perform less efficiently. So this is definitely something you should prioritize if you are still running heavily on standard text ads. We have made this very easy for you by identifying your pure STA ad groups. Please work with your account team to get this list of pure STA ad groups, then prioritize by adding XDAs or even RSAs in your pure STA ad groups. Next, you can change your ad rotation to optimize for clicks if it is on rotate evenly, and let our system take care of the rest. Next, I'd like to introduce Rosé to talk about final URLs parallel tracking.
Thanks, Shirley. Hi, my name is Rosé Dorleans, and today I'll be reminding you about parallel tracking, as well as giving you an overview of the URL parameters we've released to help you support parallel tracking. Parallel tracking is a new way to handle tracking requests in Microsoft advertising. With the traditional sequential tracking, when a customer clicks on your ad, they first go through a series of redirects before finally landing on your final URL. With parallel tracking, the end user is taken directly to your URL while all these redirections happen in parallel. This means that you will have faster page load times, which we have found results in better ad performance due to these lost visitors and lost drop-off metrics. In addition, you'll still continue to have the same great tracking in parallel. To enable parallel tracking, you will need to set the ad-click parallel tracking account property value to true in the Bing Ads API. This can also be done in the web UI within shared library by checking the parallel tracking option in URL options. Furthermore, you can also set parallel tracking for a specific campaign by defining the custom parameter beacon and assigning its value to true. You would not need to assign this custom parameters to any of your URLs. Parallel tracking is currently in an open beta, and we are accepting hand raisers. The current plan is to GA this as an optional setting in Q4 of calendar year 2019. Moving on, we have the find your own suffix and the custom parameters. These are two features that we hope will help advertisers to adopt parallel tracking. With find your own suffix, customers can create parameters that will get attached to the find your URL. This helps ensure that these relevant parameters are passed to your landing page, even if the redirection step happens in parallel tracking. Furthermore, we've expanded the number of custom parameters available from 3 to 8 and increased the character limit to 250 characters. With the addition of these parameters, advertisers will have enough space to define the value of parameters that may have initially been specified in a redirection while maintaining their existing custom parameters. A few things to know about find row suffix and custom parameter expansion is that the find row suffix is currently available at the account, campaign, ad group, and keyword level. The custom parameter expansion is currently available at the campaign, ad group, and keyword level. Support for these at the ad level, at all ad levels, in addition to the product group and DSA target, is currently being rolled out to all customers and should be available in all accounts by the end of October. Now I pass it on to Sachin to talk to you about the API v13 reminder.
Hi, thanks, Rose. This is Sachin Taide. I am a product manager for ad platform. I'll be talking today about the API v13. So as you may remember, Bing Ads API v13 has been available to all customers worldwide since April of this year. The version 13 improvements are offered in all areas of API subsystems, ad insights, billing, campaign management, customer management, and reporting. With the availability of Bing Ads API version 13, version 12 is deprecated and will shut down by the end of this month. This is a request to please migrate to the v13 services as soon as possible to avoid any disruption. If you have any schedule concerns, please reach out to your account teams or contact support. We have all the resources available for you to help you with your migration. Please refer to the migration guide for details about new features. The SDKs and code examples have been updated with support for version 13, so you can get started right away. As always, feel free to contact support or post a question in the Bing Ads API Developer Forum. We'll now open the floor for question and answers.
All right, it looks like we have some questions coming in, and we'll try and get to as many as we can. Here is a question about the Microsoft Identity Platform endpoint that we'll let Pelkins answer. The question is, when do I need to be upgraded to the new endpoint to avoid friction or interruption of service?
We're currently in open beta, and many customers who express interest in this feature but are tool provider dependent will not be able to participate. So please upgrade to the new endpoint as soon as possible to enable your customers to start using our work accounts feature.
Great, thanks. Pelkins, I have one more question for you that came in. It says, if my tool provider doesn't support work accounts at this time, what should I do?
Please reach out to them to upgrade to the new endpoint to support work accounts feature so it can be updated into the pilot. Thanks.
Thank you. All right, this next question came in about the deprecation of accelerated budget, so we'll let Abhishek answer. The question says, with the change of accelerated budgets to standard delivery, what can advertisers expect to see in terms of click volumes or CPCs? Is there anything account managers or tool providers can or should do to prepare to offset any changes in auction dynamics?
Thank you. There should be no impact for campaigns which are not budget constrained. For campaigns which are budget constrained, the change in delivery should not impact click volume or spend. But if you observe anything, please reach out to our support team so that we can investigate.
Thank you. And it also looks like we have an audience features question. This one's for Aswath. It says, I see LinkedIn targeting on the audience roadmap. What's the latest with that, and when can I expect to learn more?
Great. So we are seeing good performance and lift from the LinkedIn targeting, but one request that's come in is to increase volume on the LinkedIn targeting facets. So to do that, we plan to increase the coverage in the next quarter using some modeling techniques on our end to identify more users. We'll share more details on this before lunch.
Great. Thank you for your great questions. That looks like all the questions we have at this time. So thank you for attending our webcast today. We hope we provided some valuable content and insight into our Microsoft advertising roadmap and features pertaining to our API and developer updates. You can download the PDF of our deck with links to resources. Thanks for joining, and we hope you all have a great rest of your day.